What's up guys, today we are gonna be playing a new story called Kidnapper Story and I'm here with my friend Tiger. Say hello to the guys. By the way guys, he's very noob. That's why his name is Noobie Tiger. So today... Bro, you ain't up bro. Just come. Come now. We are gonna be playing the story for the first time so we don't know what will happen though. Okay, the story started. It was a normal day and your new house. Okay, I guess this is a new house. Big bro, welcome, get inside your new house and explore. Let's just explore, I guess. Why are we so small though? Why is my head so huge? That's so dumb. Explore, click on things to enter. Okay. Hey, who are you? Tag shot. Wait, we can take fruits? Damn. Cookies as well. Bro, why is Tiger so small? Oh, damn, made him smaller. Bye. We. Oh no. Let's meet at the kitchen. Oh wait, this is the bathroom. Oh, I got money. Boy. Where's the kitchen, guys? Okay, there it is. No, never mind. This is the kitchen. Okay. Mom, we want something to eat. I got you, bro. I have apple for you. You want it? Yeah. No problem. Let's see what's in the fridge. What do you mean? Bro, why is Tiger saying I love mom? Why is bro saying mom? Okay. What the fudge, bro? Seems like we don't have any food. Because I robbed all of the food. What do you mean you don't have any food? Go to the store for some bread and milk. Right? Yes, mommy. Bro, why is Tiger saying yes, mommy? Bro. That's so sus, bro. Bye, mom. What should we do in the meantime? I don't know, bro. Turn on the TV or something. We watch Exotic Gamers. Why is bro saying look at my face? What is that face, bro? What is that face? Oi, yo, looks like you're kissing. Oi, yo, get out. Today is a sunny day. We can go and have fun there. Let's go. Okay, get out. Bro, Tiger is us. Get out. Go to the playground. Follow Big Bro. Big Bro, come. Love you. Why is Big Bro so slow? Just come. Okay. Is he Big Bobby? What is... Okay, yeah. He's so sus. Go to the playground. Why does this guy stop? Bro, Tiger, wait! Where are you going, bro? Come back. Okay, there we go. By the way, guys, Tiger is noob, so ignore him. We are gonna be... if you like him, guys, we can play more, with him in more videos. Bro, Tiger wanna do seesaw. Oh wait, there's no seesaw. What the... And he said no, of course. Oh wait, there's a seesaw, come! But we can't sit on it, what? Bro, never, Tiger is so fat, he'll break it. Oh, you got this, keep trying. Anyways, let's go to the store. Yeah, the store is literally across the street, bro. Why do we need to follow him? It's literally across the street. There we go. I already reached the store. Okay. Why can't we go inside? Take apple. Here we are. Let's go. Bro, how do we go? It just TPs are... What is that? Hey, yo, what is that face? Why is Big Bro angry? Dot. Sir, we need some snacks. Okay, now he's happy. Okay. And bro still yawning. Sir, I think he's sleeping. He's happy now. Welcome. Sorry. No problem. Can we buy some snacks for a movie? Sure, but this store got a little bit messy in the past week. Okay. It can be a little harder to find what you need. It's fine. We'll find what we need. Okay, so we are finding like, bro, are there chips here? Come on, I would like some Lays. We can take whatever. There's no chips here. What is this? We have to find chocolate. There's chocolate. I found an apple. Oh wait, I spent money. I found a chocolate. I found a second chocolate. Okay, it's easy. You just have to find it. That's super easy. I want to eat it. Why do you want to eat? Okay, chill. You need to chill, bro. I think we could find two. Let's find some Bloxy Clonas. I found one. Two. Oh, I found one more. Okay, we found 6. 6, 7. Let's go. Ordered Boxy Crullers are from. Now let's find some donuts. Bro, chill. We are not that hungry, bro. Okay, there are donuts here. And they're definitely here somewhere. Yup, in his hands. Here. Is it here? No. Okay, found it. Alright, bro, Tiger is not happy. He's just AFK. There we go. Move it, bro. You could have helped us. Yeah, exactly, Tiger. You could have helped us. I'm lazy. We can see that. I'm the one paying. Oh. We guys got roasted, bro. Tiger, eat the pig, bro. Is that all you need? Yeah, bro, can we get out? I have $50, bro. I'm rich. Hey, get me out of this, yo. It's going to be $20. Thank you. But your toys are a little bit expensive. Wait. I suggest to take those baseball bats with you. Why? 50 is guaranteed 100%. Is he just trying to sell his stuff? I think we should get some. Okay, I'll take them. Just in case. Wait, it's not even that. Bro, this town is not even that. It's cursed or something. Why do we need bats? I didn't even see a single robber yet. I'm gonna beat Tiger with it for sure though. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, boy. Come. What's up, boy? What do you mean noob? You are a noob. I'll kick you. Yeah. Okay, so we are basically out of the store. Oh, it's already dark. We just came in the morning. Mom must be worried. I guess so. Let's go home then. Okay, I'm going home alone. I think it's right here. Wait, this is our home? Is this our home? Gets into the house before it starts raining. Oh wait, that's our house. Why did you stop here? This is not our house. Is that our house in front? No, Tiger, where is our house? Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh, I got some free money though. Okay, that's a fountain. This game is not that scary right now. I don't know why it is called a kidnapper story. Phew. Luckily, we made it just before it hit 9 p.m. Let's go. Why are you breaking the TV? Are you dumb? Where's our mommy? It's 9 p.m. already. Wait, our mom is missing. Damn. I don't care. I'll just eat. Come, tiger. Come to the table. No, I'll eat you. Yup. There you go. That means we are going to be ourselves on this night. No. Shouldn't be a problem. Tiger said shouldn't be a problem. Of course it won't be a problem. He's the only he can eat anyone. Look at his face. Look at his face then. No way, bro said aura. That's not aura, bro. You zero aura. Look at your face. Look at my face. Yeah. Lock all the doors or else. Okay, how do we lock them though? How do I lock? I think this is wrong. Is this locked? No, it's not. Lock every door, bro. There we go. Okay. What's up, big bro? Get prepared for the movies. Let's go. Why is big bro standing? He's coming in my view. Bro, don't show me a big yard. What is even that movie? No one's moving or anything. What am I? Okay, get out. I don't want to watch this movie, bro. What? Nothing is even happening. Emergency broadcast. Kidnappers have escaped the prison. Wait, what? Kidnappers are kidnapping kids outside. Free candy rain and no one's falling for that. Many kids went missing this week. Damn. No wonder. Why would they even fall for this? It literally says free candy. Who falls for that nowadays? Don't worry guys, we are safe. I hope so. Anyways, Tiger, we have Tiger. He'll just eat everyone. Because you guys locked all the doors, right? Bro, close this door. What are you doing? Yes, we did. Oh wait, that door does not. We're just going there. Oh, free money. I have $100. Sir, where's my bed? I'll sleep with Tiger. Wait, I can't look at them, but I'll sleep under him. Already it's bedtime. Hey, you stop coming in my bed, bro. Hey, why are you jumping on your own bed? What is happening to Tiger, bro? There we go. Yeah, I'm sleeping for a long time. Nothing is happening. Why aren't we not sleeping? Why this guy is swinging us? Okay. Are kidnappers coming or something? I don't know. But they said they are kidnapping kids outside. No one's outside. There's a van approaching us. Never mind. Tiger, you should not be scared, bro. I am here. Why fear when I am here, bro? Wait, there's an earthquake. I think Tiger jumped. Never mind. I hear something downstairs. Why can't we open the door? It's mom. First open it. Let's go downstairs. Let's tell her about the news. Yeah, but open the freaking door, bro. The kidnapper. I think the kid. Oh my god, who's that? He just broke the window. I thought you really thought you can hold this locking on the door. Wait, it's a kidnapper. Okay, beat him up, bro. Beat his ass. I mean, sorry. Beat him up. Get up. He has so much XP. We are cooked. You know what? I'm not gonna fight. You guys fight. I'm just gonna watch. Yeah, Tiger and me are just chilling. Just watch them. And let me emote. Yeah. Beat him up, boy. Beat him up. He's about to die. Help us. Okay, fine. Get me, boy. Oh, my HP is full. That's it. There's just one kill now, but that's it. That's easy. There we go. That's speed. Okay, I'm full. The kidnapper damaged me a lot. Not me though, I'm full. Tiger and me carry totally. I'll see what I can do tomorrow. Easy, bro. Easy. For now, everyone back to bed. Okay. I'm taking the top bed, bro. I like the top bed. Why can't I sleep there? No, Tiger, sleep with me, bro. No! But why are you not sleeping with me? Yeah. I'm gonna emote on you. You fart too much. Okay, that's sus. Shut up! You're the one who ate everything. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be doing everything to protect this house. Okay. Like what? To take plants or something. Big bro, we are hungry. Not me, bro. Why? These guys are like tiger. They just keep eating. We brought so many snacks still. We can also. Never mind. I want the pizza. I want the pizza, bro. Nothing is happening. I ordered the pizza, so man, do whatever you want while you can pay. Tiger, I'm gonna beat you till then. Yeah, get out. Come here, boy. Stop running. Wait, I'm gonna hit the big bro. Yeah, come here, boy. Come here. Beat him up. Beat him up. Yeah. Beat him up, boy. Nothing is happening to him. He's jacked, bro. He's so jacked. Let me kiss him. Yeah, I'm raising him up. What's happening? Someone is at the door. Someone's knocking. Okay. I'll answer it. Wait, I can just check from the window. Hi, pizza guy. It's a delivery man. Where are your pizzas? Builder brother pizza. Okay, $20. That's a lot. I'll take it. But that pizza is mine. That pizza is mine. Thank you. Stay safe. W pizza guy as well. Bye. Everyone, here is your slice of pizza. Yeah, I'm taking all the pizza, boy. Give me that. Give me that. Give me the pizzas. Give me everything. The next day it will be rotten. Don't worry, bro. I'm eating all of it. Give me that. 3 pizzas is nothing for me. I eat 5 for road. I eat 5 for gym, bro. Pizza help me boost up. Gop gop. Yeah, boy. That's what I thought. Gop it up. But I'm taking all the slices. Give me that. I'm eating it right now. Give me more. Give me more. Yes, sir. Wait, there's a van. Our window's still broken. Someone is outside. Wait, it's a kidnapper. I can just see from here. Tiger, look from here, bro. Oh my god. She has a knife. We are cooked. We are so cooked. We are cooked. He's gonna stab us, bro. He's trying to protect our house. Click above the windows. Wait, we have to click on the windows. Where's a window? There. Lock in. Protect your house. Okay. There's no. Okay, there's a window. Wait, there's a window here as well. Wait, what is this? I didn't see anything. Okay, I think we locked all the windows. Anything left? No, nothing is left, bro. Let me crack my knuckle. Hey, yo. Bro, is the kidnapper still outside? You did a ultimate job protecting the house. Why is Big Bro angry though? Don't tell me none of the windows were left in locked. W. Beat you up, boy. You did nothing. The Big Bro did absolutely nothing. I ain't proud of you, bro. Why can't we still have the pizza though? It's night time already. I wanted the pizza though. It got late so fast. It's 11 p.m. already. Okay. Wait, we have to see the news? Okay. Sit, bro. Why no one sitting? Kidnappers are getting stronger. Lock all the doors and windows. We did that, okay. There's more kidnapping than at the beginning of. Bro, we did that. Chill. While this broadcast is slow, just free candy is crazy. Free candy is actually insane. No way someone fell for that. Well, it's okay. As you can see, we are still alive. Yay! We can throw Tiger outside to fight the kidnapper alone. He's very strong. Alright, everyone back to bed. It's your night already. Let's go. I'll sleep on the top, boy. Yeah. Bro, Tiger hates me. He's not sleeping with me. He's the bad boy. Tiger said sleep with me, bro. Why are you jumping on others? Wait a second. Wait, I'm not fighting. He'll not do anything to me if I don't fight. Let's go. I'll just sleep. I'm just gonna watch, bro. I'm just gonna watch. You know what? I'll fight. I'm taking an. Oh, wait, I took damage. I'm taking damage. I'm actually taking damage. Wait. Come on, just die. Just die, bro. Die. Can I run? Wait, we can't open it. Someone is already about to die. That's crazy. Tiger is just chilling. Tiger, help us, bro. You know what I'm seeing. Bro saying nah, wait, one is dead already. Can I kill him? Sorry. Why does this guy take forever to die? Just die. I don't know, let me eat an apple. We can do. Don't tell me there are more here. Why is Big Bro not doing anything? We are the ones who have to do anything. They are scared of us. We are too strong for me. Yes, sir. You mean I am very strong for them? I just carried my whole team. The kidnapper boss is the strongest enemies. Where is our mom, bro? I'm so worried. What if she got kidnapped? I'm scared to think about this. No, bro, not our mom, too. But wasn't they kidnapping kids? No, your mom fell for free candy. Oh no, there are even more kidnappers out there. Wait, what? Full moon. Okay. Oh my, we are cooked. We are cooked. We are cooked. We can't do anything. I'll just run. What is that? Everyone run to the tiny house. Where do we run from? Okay, we run. Oh, we have to run here. Okay. I'm scared of the kidnappers now. Now we are actually coming to the fighting scene. Okay. That thing is broken. That's why my screen is shaking. To stop shaking my screen. Chill. Yeah, where's the people? Sounds like they went to school. Where's the people? Just beat them up, bro. What do you mean? Fight them. I ain't scared of them. Fight them. You know what I'll say? Let's escape while they're upstairs. Yeah, I don't want to fight them. That's I'll chase them down. You have to be quiet. How? I'll just run here. Wait, you have to run there? Oh wait, I'm coming. Wait, weren't they just you? Guys, we have to find a sewer. Ew, bro. Is find it as fast as wait, shouldn't it be just like that? Find a sewer to save your own life. Where is it though? I can't find it anywhere. Where is it? It isn't. Oh, that's a well. Wait, there's an old man there. Same old man. Why do I still think the old man is the boss kidnapper? I don't know, but I think so. Where is the sewer though? It should be right here. Yup, there it is. Hop in immediately. How do I hop in? Tiger, open it. Okay. It's a wait, we can just go from the side. There we go. Wait, where are we supposed to go now? Don't tell me we have to hop on that lantern. Don't. Oh, wait, we have to just click on this. Oh, we have to take this out. Okay, everyone click on it. There we go. Wait, what is this guy? Let me tell you something. The kidnapper is not actually kidnapping. He just needs money from you for something. He just needs money from you for something very important. Wait, that means kidnapper doesn't actually want to kill. Wait, that. Why do I think he's telling the truth? Oh, wait, it's a hobby. It's an hobby. He can't die, otherwise we're cooked. But don't worry, I'm the goat at hobby. I'll carry everyone. I almost fell off below. Wait, we have to fall. Okay, I didn't know that. That's the hobby. No way! 2 people just died. They're dumb. They're actually so dumb. They just fell. What the hell, bro? Don't worry, bro. I'm the goat. I won't die. I'll complete it. How did the big bro already do it? Oh, it doesn't exit. How do I go inside? Bro, big bro open. Tiger and me are the only ones left, bro. That's crazy. Tiger and me are the goat. What is this exit door? Bro, open it. Tiger, break it. Yeah, break it. Bro, why is this not breaking? Wait, don't tell me there's more on me. Let's go all the way down. Okay. Okay, reached. We have to go through this. Oh wait, it opens. Damn. Wait, what is this exit, bro? This looks like it was made by someone, like a kidnapper. I thought this is a way out. Why do I think this is the kidnapper's bunker? This is creep. Yeah, exactly, bro. Wait, there's a kidnapper boss. Oh my god, we have to fight him. We are only 2 people. We are cooked. Okay, we are cooked. There's no way out. Where's Big Bro when we need him? He just TP to the other side. Hope you're trapped here forever. Bro, that's just. I'll just beat him up. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! I'm dead! Beat him up! We can't beat him up. Yeah, beat Tiger up. He's not even doing anything to me. That's crazy. Beat him up. Hit the. Oh! We have to dodge him and then hit him. Wait. We can actually do this. Oh my god. I'm dead. Oh. Dodge it. Oh no, I'm dead. 20 HP. Oh, let's go. Wait, he's about to die. We can actually kill him. No! I'm 4 HP. I'm unshot. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I died. No! Tiger, you have to do this. Oh, I died. No, I died. Tiger, tell me you should do it. Bro, I died. No. I think Tiger also died. But guys, if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and comment down below. We are so close to hit 50 subscribers. And I hope you enjoyed it. So bye bye.